Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is B.A. Scott. I'm super excited to share with you just for a few minutes. I'm an R&B singer-songwriter out of Virginia, and let's do this. Oh, I'm sorry, real quick. Shout out to Five Loaves, clothing company, for my hoodie today. I appreciate y'all. Y'all give me free stuff. This first song is called Tailor Made. Look in the mirror, what do you see? A beautiful masterpiece, hiding down insecurity. Baby, there's more to you. You are my dream come true. You are everything to me. There's something about you, darling, that I can't explain, but it's written on my heart and it starts with your name. So take my hand, hold on tight, give this love a try. 'Cause you're beautiful, amazing, picture perfect, designed for just one purpose. So what if you got flaws? And I know you do not understand it, but there's a bigger plan. Trust me now, you'll see. You're tailor-made for me. Tailor-made for me. You're tailor-made for me. For me. And so what? You're not what they see on a TV screen. So what? You might be more or less than a size 3. So what? Beauty's so much more than skin deep. A treasure like you is hard to keep. That mask you wear is hiding something. You should let it free. 'Cause you're so much more than just that one with personality. You're flawless, gorgeous, heaven sent. That'll never change. Perfection is yours, it's your name. You're beautiful, amazing, picture perfect, designed for just one purpose. So what if you got flaws? And I know you cannot understand it. There's a bigger plan. Trust me now, you'll see. You're tailor-made for me. You're tailor-made for me. You're tailor-made for me. For me. 'Cause I'm me, I'm free, and I see that I'm beautiful, and I'm me, and I'm free, and I see that I'm beautiful, I'm me, I'm free, and I see that I'm beautiful, that I'm beautiful, that I'm beautiful, yeah, yeah. I see beauty. You're beautiful, amazing, picture perfect, designed for just one purpose. So what if you got flaws? And I know you cannot understand it. There's a bigger plan. Trust me now, you'll see. You're tailor-made for me. You're tailor-made, picture perfect, tailor-made for me. You tailor-made for me. You tailor-made for me. Thanks, friends. Since I've got your attention and I've got the mic, so I've been doing this for quite some time. And if I'm honest with you, if you're watching this or hearing this, what you don't know about me is that about a year and a half ago, I quit. I got really burnt out by music. I got really burnt out by the industry. I lost inspiration to even play music anymore. This is the first time that I've played in front of people in 2 years. And so I'm a little nervous, which is weird. I don't really get nervous normally, but I feel a little nervous today. But at the same time, I appreciate the opportunity. Every time I get to play for people and get to share my story a little bit, it does something for me because I believe that music is the great equalizer. It makes us all human. It puts us all in the same place to be able to tell our stories. So if you know who I am, then you know that 90% of the songs that I write are breakup songs and heartbreak songs because, well, I can't seem to keep it to myself. So anyway, a lot of the songs I write are breakup songs, heartbreak songs. I'm a serial dater. I'm not a serial relationship guy. I'm a serial dater. I like to go on dates and then people fall in love and then they don't. So whatever. Anyway, this next song that I have for you is a song that I wrote in 2017. So it is 5 years old. You can find it on Spotify if you find me. I'm just B.A. Scott. Just like a shameless plug because I've got your time. So if you want to find me on Spotify, B.A. Scott, shameless plug. This next song is called Maybe. Because, you know, maybe you fall in love, maybe you don't. So anyway, I hope you like it. It's one of my favorites that I've ever written in my life. I don't know, it's catchy, so hopefully you remember it. Can we go back to hello? 'Cause I'm feeling strange today. Maybe these words are coming off the wrong way. I'm wondering how it was so easy for you. Easy to walk away. Am I worth the fight or just a word or two? Something small before goodbye. Maybe I made it easy for you. And maybe I pushed you away. And maybe it'll all be different. And maybe it'll all change. Maybe we'll apologize for the mistakes we made. Maybe it'll all be different. And maybe the race we've run. And I'll see that I waited when I should have walked away. My heart is now delayed. Can we go back to hello? 'Cause I'm feeling you today. I can't get you off my mind. I'm wondering if you feel the same. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm doing. I can't hold back. 'cause I'm feeling you today. And maybe it'll all be different. And maybe it'll all change. And maybe we'll apologize for the mistakes we made. And maybe it'll all be different. And maybe in the race we run, then I'll see that I waited when I should have walked away. My heart is now delayed. My heart is now delayed. I'm sorry, but my heart is now delayed. And I heard you say, maybe you're just sad and feeling lonely. I am not the one to come home and to dry your tears. Remember when I called you one and only? That was a lie. It's time to say goodbye. Maybe it'll all be different. Maybe it'll all change. And maybe we'll apologize for the mistakes we made. And maybe it'll all be different. Maybe in the race we've run, I'll see I waited when I should have walked away. My heart is now delayed. Delayed. My heart is now delayed. 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 I'm asking maybe. Thank y'all again. Y'all are wonderful. To whoever's watching this, it's always weird. I'll be honest with you. As an artist, I am very big on like participation. So it's interesting to be sitting in a room with two other people who I know, but two other people, and there's not like 50 people or like 100 people like whispering and talking and not listening to me. So I do appreciate it. It is super nerve-wracking though, because it's like you have to be perfect. So anyway, that's delayed. I did get choked up a little bit. I'm not a crier, but it choked me up a little bit, and you probably heard it, but it don't matter. So I think I have one more. And if I'm honest with you, I need like 60 seconds to figure out what it's gonna be, because I don't know. If you've ever seen me play live, I always say this: I never know what I'm gonna play until I actually get up and do it. Today is no different. I knew I wanted to play the first one because it's like one of my favorites. I knew I wanted to play the second one because it's like, it's in my top 5. I don't know what number 3 will be. Give me a sec and I'll get my thoughts together as I'm talking to you. I do love a good love song. I do love the stories that come with a good love song. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. Okay. Anyway, but I do love a good story with a good love song. I think a lot of times for us, if I'm honest with you, We live in a Tinder generation, right? Swipe left, swipe right. You meet up with somebody because you think that they're physically attractive. You know nothing about their inside. You know nothing about their mind, their spirit. You know nothing about it. But a lot of people will tie themselves to a person. And I'm not trying to be preachy, but just hear me for a second because I have your attention. A lot of people will swipe right on a person who has nothing that they actually want in a relationship. They're just physically attractive. And so what happens for a lot of us is that we will follow with our eyes, but not with our spirit. And so the beauty of a love song, at least to me, from a lot of the love song writers that I know, all the way from Stevie Wonder to Prince to Michael Jackson to Brian McKnight to Boyz II Men to even some of the more recent ones that tell really good stories like a Bryson Tiller. What happens is that if we're not careful, we will miss the love that is available to us because we're chasing something that doesn't exist. And so if I could encourage you with something today, if you're looking for love, if you already found love, congratulations. But for the rest of us out here who are looking for love, can I encourage you to make sure that you're looking for what's underneath? Because it's really easy to lead with your mind, or lead with your eyes, and not with your mind and your heart and your spirit. You will give a part of yourself to someone, whether emotionally or physically. That means absolutely nothing in the grand scheme of life. So that's my 2 cents. I will say this, shout out to 2 people who unfortunately lost their lives this year. One of them is Quavo from the Migos. It's super sad that he lost his life because it happened. What did I say? Did I say Quavo? I meant Takeoff. First of all, if y'all know me, y'all know I love Takeoff. I've been listening to Takeoff since before Takeoff was Takeoff. I was in college talking about this weird dude from Atlanta with a lazy eye named Takeoff. Anyway, however, I think I did say Quavo. I didn't mean Quavo. I meant Takeoff. Anyway, but Takeoff passed away. And then, it's just hard. It's been a hard year for a lot of people. We've lost a lot of people that we love. Anyway, but the next song I'm going to play is a song called Strangers. And it was based off a song by a group called Quality Control. I don't know if you've ever heard of them before. But anyway, they're a group and they made a song. And PNB Rock was on it, who also unfortunately lost his life this year. Shout out to PNB Rock as well. I love all of his music. Anyway, but this song is loosely based on it. It doesn't sound anything like their song, but the melody does. So if you're a music nerd, you'll hear the melody and it'll sound familiar to a song that you already know. Anyway, the song's called Strangers. It's not a long song. I think it's the shortest song that I actually know. It's like a verse and a chorus and like half of a verse and then another chorus. So I'll be out of your way in probably 2.5 minutes. Anyway, but I hope you enjoy this song. It's called Strangers. It's about strangely falling in love. So those are my 2 cents about love today. I hope that that's okay. I hope that you've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed it. If I'm honest with you, watching or listening, I remembered today why I fell in love with music. And so I appreciate you for being a part of this journey with me. You have no idea. You don't even know me. But today I remembered why I fell in love with music the first time. And so anyway, I hope that if you are hearing this or if you are watching this, that you remember. So shout out to the people that we've lost. But shout out to lovers and love songs. So anyway, I'm gonna take a sip of my water, coat my throat, and then I'm gonna play this song called Strangers, and then I'm gonna say goodbye. So. Ooh. This is also my favorite song to play at night. It's like a lullaby. So I hope that you like it. It's very short, but it goes like this. I'm sitting here, I'm wondering the words to say, how to tell you. I think of you every day. It's hard to imagine my life another way. I wonder if you think of me, or am I all alone? This situation is killing me. I don't know, no. I wanna know if I'm all alone, or have you been dreaming of me, baby? We could be lovers, or maybe just strangers who strangely fell in love. We strangely fell in love. Strangely fell in love. I'm sitting here, I'm in my room, I'm thinking of the things you do. I love your smile, and I love your eyes. It makes me feel complete. Do you ever think of me? I just wanna know. I know you say that we're just friends, but baby, could we be more? Let me know I'm not alone, or have you been dreaming me, baby? We could be lovers, or maybe just strangers who strangely fell in love. Let me know I'm not alone, or have you been dreaming of me, baby? We could be lovers, or just strangers who strangely fell in love. Who strangely fell in love. Who strangely fell in love. That's all I got. Y'all have been great. Yes, I sing and talk, and I can play. No, I don't look at my hands. But thank you for your time. Thank y'all. I appreciate your time.